Hello guys and welcome to How to Tutorial. So today in this video I will show you guys how to sign in to Illinois Lottery account on your PC. Illinois Lottery is an American lottery for the US state of Illinois, where you can buy tickets online and find winning lotteries with games. So without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, open up your preferred web browser and on the search tab type illinoislottery.com and enter. You will be redirected to the official web page of Illinois Lottery. On the right top corner, you can see login and register options. Click on login. It will lead you to the login interface. If you do not have any account yet, then you can sign up by clicking on the sign up link right here. Now here, enter your email address, your password associated with your Illinois account. If you have forgotten your password, then you can recover it from forgot password link here. And finally, after you provide all the essential credentials, click on login button. After you are logged in, you shall be able to access your Illinois Lottery account and do all the activities. So this was it for today guys. I really hope that you guys liked the video and find the video helpful. If you guys find the video helpful, then do not forget to like and subscribe the channel. Also hit the bell icon to get more updates.